just trying to make a Heliscrew mooring for our yacht, and just try and come up with some ideas. If anybody has some, this is what we'll come up with so far. It's our third attempt. Just going to screw it in and give it a tug at the car and see how we go.
We're going to attempt to pull this out of the ground. If anyone has any ideas on how to make it stronger, please write in the comments. My shoes! Daddy! Stop! Why would you do that? They're my shoes! Oh, my shoes! Subscribe to Cherry Ripe's Life.
Okay, we've done a few mods. This is the fourth attempt. We've strengthened the centre, put a bit of pipe inside so it doesn't bend there. It's bending there all the time. And just put a bit on the top there to chain, to keep it around, get the boat swinging without unscrewing the Heliscrew. This is just a prototype, so it's made a bit of a scrap just to see if we can make something that works. Oh, the screw in the ground.
Yeah.
Give it a bit of a tug with the car, with the 200, and it seems to be still in place. It's pulled out in a bit of an angle. All the swivel section seems to be still operational. I'll use hold that and I will screw it out until it's bent. So the idea is once you're finished, you just put the bar back in it and screw it out and take the mooring with you. All will have to be done under the water on scuba or a hooker line or something like that. I don't think the boat would ever pull as hard as that, but it will be a long hours of pulling into the storm.
It's not bent this time.
It didn't bend. We put a bit of pipe inside there to reinforce that to stop it from bending, and a bit for the chains that swivel around on the top. Now we're going to go put it on the boat out in the bay and hook the original mooring to this and put it there for a month or so and see whether it'll hold it under long periods of time, since we've got a good design now. Okay, that's it.
And don't forget